In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can hide a page on Wix. So if you want a page but you want to keep it hidden, maybe you want like a secret link to only go to that page, you want to hide it from search engines, and you want to hide it from the header here. Well, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you want to go into your Wix website editor, then from here you want to go to pages and menus, and you'll see then your pages. So I've got home, blog, about, and contact. I'm going to hide the about page. Now obviously you've got a use case for this and a reason you want to hide the page. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So go ahead and click on the three dots next to the about page or whatever page you're hiding. And then you want to first go to SEO basics, and it's important that you scroll down and uncheck this. So this is let search engines index this page. Uncheck that and now your page will not show in search engines, right? Now what you can do from here, you can go ahead and click on the three dots again, and you want to then click hide. That's going to then hide your page, and it should then hide it from the home bar as well. Now, you don't actually have any way to access the about page anymore. Now, if you wanted to link this in kind of like some secret way with like a link on your website, maybe you want to just link a bit of text to that page, what you would need to do is obviously create some text. So maybe you want to link it down here, and you want to then type out like hidden page. You could then go ahead and highlight this text, click link, and you could link to a page, and you could link to whatever page you want, which in our case is our hidden about page. And that would now be the only way that people could get to that about page, because they would not know that it exists without that link. So that's how you can hide a page on Wix. I hope that quick video did help you out.